Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of Patawar School, Pathankot. Today we start a new chapter, Our Environment, class 10th, Biology. This is the first lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss on the topics like types of waste, biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, ecosystems and its components. Okay, let's start. First, effects of adding waste to the environment. What are the effects of adding waste to the environment? Human activities produce a lot of waste materials which are thrown away into the environment. These wastes cause pollution of air, water, and soil. Okay, basically, these wastes can cause pollution. Okay, and we know that the pollutions can be having harmful effects on the living organisms. Okay, not only plants but also on animals and all the living creatures present on the earth. Okay, the waste material produced are of two main types. Okay, the waste which we generate are basically having two categories, or we can place them into two categories: biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Okay, biodegradable waste, okay, the waste which are decomposed into harmless substances by microorganisms, example vegetable, fruit, pulses, cereals, which are not decomposed by microorganisms, example polythene bags, plastic, synthetic fibers, etc. Okay, this is all about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Okay, okay, there is a one more category is there, that e-waste. E is electronic waste. Okay, the waste which is related to the electronic equipments like wires, electronic instruments. Okay, this particular waste is known as e-waste. Okay, now then the ecosystem and its component. Okay, what is ecosystem? First, try to understand the concept of ecosystem. An ecosystem consists of all the living organism in an area along with the non-living components and their interaction. Simply we can say that ecosystem is actually a relationship between biotic and abiotic component. Okay, for example, if you talk about a forest is an ecosystem because inside the forest there are a number of plants, there are a number of grasses, there are a number of herbs, but there are also the number of animals be there. Okay, so there is a relationship between animals and plants. This is known as ecosystem. Okay, there are different types of ecosystem. They are natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural ecosystem which present naturally. Okay, artificial ecosystem, the ecosystem which formed by the man for the betterment of mankind. Okay, for income also. Natural ecosystem consists of forest, deserts, grass, lands, mountains, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. Artificial ecosystem include like gardens, parks, crop field, aquarium. Aquarium is a best example of artificial ecosystem, zoo, etc. Okay. Then the components of ecosystem. This is a very important question according to the board point of view. Okay, what is the ecosystem and what are the component of ecosystem? Okay, an ecosystem consists of two main components. They are biotic and abiotic components. Okay, biotic component. Biotic means living. Abiotic means non-living. Biotic components consist of living organisms, and abiotic component consist of non-living things. Okay, first we discuss biotic component. See, biotic components are the living components like plants, animals, microorganisms. They basically categorize under three main category: producer, consumer, and okay, producer which can produce the substance, like plants are the producer which produce food on which animals depend, first herbivorous then carnivorous. Okay, then these are actually consumers. Okay, herbivorous and carnivorous are consumers. Decomposer which decompose the dead matter. Okay, which basically decompose the dead matter. Okay, first producer are the green plants which produce food by the process of photosynthesis. We know that photosynthesis is a process in which green plant can form food with the help of light and chlorophyll. Okay, now consumers are herbivorous which get their food directly from the plants. Carnivorous which get their food indirectly from plants. And omnivorous which carnivorous are actually which get their food indirectly from plants because they eat herbivorous, and herbivorous depends upon plants. Okay, then the omnivorous basically are those organisms which get their food directly or indirectly from the plants. Okay, omnivorous. Next, decomposers are the microorganisms or those organisms which can decompose the dead and decaying matter. Okay, they are very helpful for the environment because they clean the environment. Okay, animals, they decompose complex organic substance into simple inorganic substances in the soil which are again used by the plants. Okay, then abiotic components. Abiotic components are the non-living components, okay, which consist of air, water, soil, minerals, sunlight, temperature and wind, etc. Okay, so this is all about the biotic and abiotic components. Okay, I hope you understand the concept. This is the first lecture. Meet you soon in the second lecture. Hope you understand the concepts. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you, have a nice day.